Coming to y'all live from Nigga News 9. Coming to y'all live from Lucerne. As y'all can see, we got some branches on the ground. Yeah, this a heavy branch. Pick it up. Got branches on the ground. It's real windy now. Yeah, it's real windy. Y'all can see my thing blowing. But yeah, we on Lucerne. You got, whoo, shit. That's a mass flooding. Oh! Huh? What? My camera lost focus. I think we got it. Okay, there it go. We got some mass flooding. This jacket ain't helping. All right, Irma seemed to calm down a little bit. You got trees blowing 62 miles per hour. My granddad watching me through the window, but this Nigga News 9 coming to you first with Hurricane Irma. Woo! How y'all doing? Finna go interview some folks.
You fucking stupid to be out there. Look at you, you soaking wet.
I'm not wet, just my jacket.
Your face is.